Every sheet of glass begins its life as simple sand.
Here, precision starts before the first scoop.
The raw material is carefully unearthed. Each load carries potential for clarity. Impurities are removed at the source. Movement begins the journey forward. Volume builds, measured and controlled. Consistency matters even here.
Moisture and grain size are assessed.
The material advances step by step. Uniform grains are essential for glass. Even trace metals are extracted. Quality is verified before transport. Prepared material waits for the next phase. Now refined, it moves onward. Every ton is precisely measured. The journey from earth to industry begins. Next, the sand enters the world of machines. From quarry to factory, timing is critical.
Transport preserves purity and pace.
Arrival is controlled and monitored.
Every delivery is logged.
Inside, systems are already in motion. The destination is clearly defined. Flow is managed to avoid delay.
Verification ensures accuracy.
Material prepares to transfer hands.
Gravity takes control.
The factory receives its foundation. Cleanliness protects quality. The load has changed form. Now the factory takes over.
Next, preparation begins.
Scale defines modern glass production.
Every entry point is engineered. Material flow never stops, never stops. Crossing into controlled environments. Conditions are tuned for precision.
Human oversight remains essential.
Decisions are made in real time.
Flow is unified. Stability protects consistency.
Preparation is about to intensify.
Process and safety move together. Air quality is controlled continuously.
Protection enables productivity.
Verification never pauses. The journey inside has only begun. Next comes refinement. Preparation gives way to precision. Cleaning begins with motion and water. Friction removes what doesn't belong.
Moisture is carefully reduced.
Resources are reused, not wasted. Final rinses ensure purity. Air replaces heat. Air replaces heat at this stage. Technology now inspects every grain. Unwanted particles are instantly removed. Only the best continues.
Invisible contaminants are eliminated.
Human judgment conforms the data.
Uniformity is engineered. Nothing is left to chance. The material is now refined. Prepared for transformation. Control is verified before release. Next, chemistry enters the process. Now the recipe begins. Here, sand meets its chemical companions. Uniformity is key to molten perfection. Precise proportions shape the final product. Samples ensure uniformity before melting. The transformation begins at high temperature. Heat prepares sand for its final state. Gravity delivers raw potential into fire. Temperature turns mineral into liquid. Constant observation ensures quality. Guided flow shapes the future sheet. Precision instruments guide the transformation.
Excess heat is carefully managed.
Controlled movement begins shaping.
Even the smallest thickness matters.
Rolling ensures uniformity for downstream processes. Next, heat is slowly released to stabilize structure. Slow cooling prevents stress and ensures clarity. Temperature gradients are meticulously controlled. Data ensures consistency across meters of glass. Defects are detected before they propagate. Human oversight fine-tunes automated processes. Now the material is stabilized, ready for shaping. Precision cutting defines final dimensions. Laser guides the cut with unmatched accuracy. Controlled separation prevents breakage.
Organization ensures safe handling.
Buffer zones prepare material for finishing.
Human eyes complement automated precision.
Edges are refined for safety and perfection.
Temperature control continues after mechanical processing.
Every millimeter is verified. Sorting prepares material for finishing. Precision robotics handle material with flawless rhythm. Every motion is calculated to prevent stress. Defects invisible to the human eye are detected instantly. Only flawless sheets proceed further. Perfect alignment sets the stage for finishing. Edge perfection is automated to micron accuracy. Real-time data ensures consistent quality. Automation handles complexity effortlessly. Speed is maintained without compromising control. Physical inspection complements optical scanning. Traceability is built into every piece. Constant oversight ensures continuity. Automation organizes output for efficiency. Even heavy glass is handled with care.
Humans and machines work together seamlessly.
Flow is continuous and uninterrupted. Next, refinement achieves perfection. Here, precision transforms material into perfection.
Edges are refined to exact specifications.
Temperature control preserves integrity.
Clarity is enhanced with every pass.
Human oversight ensures perfection remains. Precision instruments guarantee uniformity.
Corners are shaped for safety and usability.
Even microscopic imperfections are detected.
Classification ensures consistency across batches.
Flow is maintained for efficiency. Automation ensures safe and consistent handling. Precision extends from individual sheets to full pallets.
Protection preserves quality through transit. Every pallet is tracked to its destination. Storage prepares the product for dispatch.
Traceability is maintained at every step. Now, every batch undergoes final scrutiny.
In the lab, science ensures perfection. Human eyes complement automated checks.
Micron-level accuracy is verified digitally.
Strength is measured before it leaves the factory.
Transparency meets exacting standards.
Edges are checked for safety and uniformity.
Only flawless glass continues its journey.
Composition is checked at every batch.
Thermal stability ensures safety in application. Durability is quantified precisely.
Visual uniformity meets industrial standards.
Every result is logged for traceability.
Sorting ensures that only premium sheets are packed. Final inspection confirms safety and perfection. Documentation preserves the factory's integrity. Sheets are ready for their final journey.